Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today I have another recipe for your Christmas menu. And this is what's going to be jumping in my pot: overnight eggnog French toast casserole. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using: salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla extract, whole milk, granulated sugar, eggnog, challah bread, and eggs. Let's move on to making the casserole. I have a bowl here and a whisk. We're going to add the eggs, and we're going to whisk the eggs up. Now we add the granulated sugar, the salt. I have here the nutmeg and the cinnamon in this bowl. And we're going to add the vanilla extract. Then we're going to whisk this up. Then we add the milk, and we whisk this up. And we add the eggnog. This is a nice dish you can make on Christmas morning. A nice breakfast dish. Hey, we whisk this up. I have a pan here, baking dish, that I already sprayed with some baking spray. Now I have the challah bread here, and we're going to slice it up. Okay, we're going to add it to the baking dish. We want them overlapping each other. Now we're going to pour the mixture over it. Then we're going to make sure it's all pressed down. We're going to put this in, cover it up, and put it in the refrigerator for overnight. Then we will come back in the morning with the next step. Good morning. Welcome back to the second part of the overnight eggnog French toast casserole. Get out of the refrigerator, and we're going to move on to the next step. I have here turbinado sugar. We're going to sprinkle that over it. And I have here cinnamon and nutmeg. And we're going to sprinkle that over it. Then we're going to mix it up together. Then we're going to pop it in the oven. I have my oven set to 350 degrees, and we're going to bake this for 40 to 45 minutes. Then we're going to come back and make the sauce for the casserole. These are the ingredients we're going to be using for the sauce: bourbon, maple syrup, and vanilla extract. I have a sauce pot here that I have turned on medium low. I've added the maple syrup to the sauce pot. And now we're going to add the bourbon. And the vanilla extract. Then we let this simmer here for about 2 to 3 minutes. Give everything a little stir. I've taken it out of the oven. Now this is what we do. We're going to sprinkle some powdered sugar over the top. There you have it. Overnight eggnog French toast casserole. Enjoy. I've plated it up, the eggnog French toast casserole, and here is the syrup that you can serve yourself. You can have this for breakfast on Christmas morning or brunch. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.